So two energies are working in this material world. The spiritual energy and the material energy. Material energy means these 8 kinds of material elements. Vayu, earth, water, fire, air, sky, mind, intelligence and ego. These are all material. These are finer, and grosser. It's like water is finer than the earth. Then fire is finer than the water. Then air is finer than the fire. Then sky or ether is finer than the air. Similarly, intelligence is finer than the ether, or mind is finer than the ether. The mind, I have given several times example, the speed of mind, many thousands of miles within a second. It can go. So this finite, it is powerful. Similarly, ultimately, when you come to the spiritual part, finite, from which everything is emanating, that is very powerful, that spiritual energy. That is given in the Bhagavad Gita. What is that spiritual energy? That spiritual energy is this living entity. Aparayam itastu vidhime prakritim para. Krishna said, these are material energies, and beyond these there is another spiritual energy. Aparayam, apara means inferior. Aparayam, all these described material elements, they are inferior energy. And beyond this, there is superior energy. My dear Lord, what is that? Jiva Bhuta Mahabhav. These living entities, they are also energy. We living entities, we are also energy, a superior energy. How superior? Because Jaidam Dharjate Jagat. The superior energy is controlling the inferior energy. Matter has no power. The big aeroplane, nice machine, is flying in the sky. It's made of material things. But unless the spiritual energy pilot is there, it is useless. It is useless. For thousands of years, the jet plane will stand at the airport. It will not be flying unless the small particle spiritual energy that pilot comes and touches it. So what is the difficulty to understand God? So plain thing that these huge machines, there are so many huge machinery, they cannot move without the touch of the spiritual energy, a human being or a living being. How can you expect that this whole material energy is working out of automatically and without any control? How you can put your arguments in that way? That is not possible. For less intelligent class of men, they cannot understand how this material energy is being controlled by the Supreme Law.